Alright guys, I'll tell you what. I'm not sure what time this thing arrived, but I've been working on it since it arrived. And it's almost midnight. I think it showed up at like 6 or 7. And I'm close to done. I just got to figure out this one here. And then that's just close to done with this board. And then there's the fact that they didn't give me all the wires and everything. You can see my coils aren't pretty, but they should work. They really don't tell you a lot about what you need to know when you're doing this. It's no, this is not a kit for somebody without experience. And I mean, I have a background in electronics, and I've, I took college for, television repair back in the day. And, I've never wound a toroid. So, yeah, what I didn't do was flatten the coil. The wire is a little bit thicker than it kind of looks. And so basically, it's probably going to be a little bit more length on here than it needs to be. But basically, they don't really tell you a whole lot here. They kind of say, well, do this deal and use an Allen wrench to provide the required diameter. So you go over here to L1 and 2 and 3, and those are Allen wrenches. So you use a 6mm Allen wrench and 7 turns for the one coil and 4 for the other. And I actually accidentally put them in backwards. I made the 4-turn coil first and stuck it in there, and it was really hard to remove out of the board after I soldered it in there. So careful with that. And then this little coil here is made out of this other wire that they gave you plenty of. They don't really have much leftover wire from the other stuff. Maybe I can use that to do the pass-through. You've got to wind this binocular core, and they're really kind of not specific about it. I can't even see where the hell the wires are going. And I read other people talking about that they put the wires in the wrong spot. So I think there's 2 pieces of wire that just go across from these large holes, and then the small holes are for the other wire. So, yeah, I think that's how it works. So, yeah, this is just like, imagine doing this every day. And like, I'm sitting here in the chair for hours and my back is just absolutely on fire. It hurts. So, so I'm hoping to have it done by the end of the night just to see that it works. But if not, whatever. So I will update you guys when I get closer to being done. Thank you for watching. And I think maybe I might just like make a compilation video of all this later on. I don't know. I just don't want to bore everybody to death. But I want to document my journey. Thanks for watching, 73. Catch you guys later.